What do you get when you mix history, horses, hoses, and hooch? Only one of the most extraordinary private homes in the West Village. I'm Cheryl Eisen of Interior Marketing Group, and I can't wait to take you on this tour of this former firehouse, where every element tells a story, and there's a secret around every corner. Welcome to 78 Morton Street, a 5-story dream home designed for living, working, and entertaining. And the party begins in this spectacular living room. Here you can feel how big this home is. It's 25 feet wide with double height ceilings, exposed brick, original wood beams, beautiful arched windows, and one of the biggest fireplaces in the West Village. Designing this room is all about achieving balance. From the velvet sofa, to the oversized art, to the stone coffee table, we wanted to soften the space and create the perfect place for formal gatherings. To tell you the truth, this place was actually kind of a challenge to design, but we love a challenge. Good luck finding a piece of art big enough for a 26-foot ceiling, so we had to create one ourselves. And to further accentuate the height and the light, we installed one of our famous double-height mirror installations. And because this is a dining room, we brought in a natural wood table and these vintage iron and leather slung chairs, making this the swankiest downtown eatery around. Welcome to this colorful kitchen where preparing food is a work of art. From the kaleidoscope cabinets to the fuzzy chairs to the backlit breakfast banquette, the whole scene feels part gallery, part hot restaurant. And for dining al fresco, step outside to your own private garden. There's a pergola that looks like a piece of installation art and a skylight down to where we're headed next. Tell me this isn't the coolest lounge you've ever seen. We started by creating this colorful triptych and this low-profile wall unit. Anchored around the garden skylight, we placed 2 luxurious curved sofas. We nested 2 coffee tables of marble and wood and added our signature wall of mirrors. But the coolest thing in this room is the steel-beamed bar that seems to defy gravity. The coolness in this home just keeps getting cooler. Follow me. I mean, take a look at this huge garage. It's big enough for your own private fire engine. And this original spiral staircase will take you back in time. Welcome to your own private speakeasy. It has fringe velvet chairs, sumptuous sofas, red velvet drapes, and a bucolic fresco. Not to mention your own stage. And since you're in the basement, you can rock out as loud as you want. I mean, come on, a Mongolian for a banister? Did I mention that this house comes with its very own catwalk? This is a primary suite fit for a rock star. First, we added this wall-to-wall headboard, tulip table lamps, lacquer nightstands, and 3D wall art. But what I love most is this colorful floral chandelier. Doesn't it rock? 78 Morton Street is a former firehouse that is now a 5-story design statement. It's proof that good design tells a story, and great design writes a new one. I'll see you next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.